Okay folks, this is a quick look at the new feature for managing lots. Let me go ahead and get logged in as an administrator. Right now the admin Sente account is the only one that has rights to the lot number management. You may choose to change that, but you're going to want it to be someone that you're comfortable with. Let me go to administration and then lots, and I'm going to add a lot. I don't know what you'll use for finished goods lot numbers, but whatever it would be, I'm going to go ahead and put one in. The order number is we're stuck with the limits of the at this time, without additional coding, of the 6 digits for your traditional sales order. What we want to use this for in the manufacturing setting is to group all of the transactions that happened in a particular run. So I would say, you know, it would, for our purposes here, something like 180727, and then any subsequent lots I create, I would recommend we create with that same order number. So that way, if we're doing a query on the database, we can find all of the records for this particular time period. We could also do it by date, so I'm open to other suggestions for that. Really, that order number is for outbound sales picking orders. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and you'll see I've created a new lot. So now, if I was doing item and serial number entry, the screen has been changed to look like this. The first thing you have to tell me is the lot number. We're validating that, so then that way the people at the end of the lines can't just put in any old thing. It's got to be something valid for the system. And it automatically looks up that order number. It's not something that they have to use or manage to. So now for the duration, everything else works just like it always did. We're just writing out some slightly different data records, and we're powering the printer a different way. We're putting this new data into the label. So I don't have one of your printers here. I can't test this the rest of the way, but I really hope that you will, and you'll take it through to conclusion, including printing some labels, and check to make sure I have correctly updated the finished goods number, that the lot number comes through. You may want to go ahead and change a lot number so that we can simulate that changeover. This is a point of consideration. I could simply add another lot here and begin to manage to a new lot number. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say that this is lot number GG test 4. I'm nothing if not consistent. I'm going to go for that same order number. Oops, I forgot to save it, sorry. Save lot, that looks a lot better. This is that moment now where you have to give some thought to how you'd want to manage this. If you leave both lots there, someone could remember, they think, the lot number that they're supposed to be working on and put in one that's actually completed. So that would be then a great opportunity to just delete it and only have one active lot at a time. I'm just thinking ahead to maybe some situation where you would have a contract manufacturer running two lots on two different lines, or they would ask if they can run this, the same product on two lines, and at that moment I'm thinking you would want them to be different lot numbers. So this is entirely up to you. The system doesn't care if you ever delete one of these, but you might, for data integrity, if it's not necessary, say, well, I'm definitely going to stop that from happening. I only have one valid lot. No one can make an error and put the wrong data in. And I think that's it. Everything else should work the way that you're familiar with. And obviously I've only run some kind of straight line testing. I haven't thrown any real serious curveballs at it, so I'll be delighted to hear from you if you find something else. We'll have Vince on call all day tomorrow, knowing that we have a likelihood of the system going into full use sometime next week. Thanks again for listening.